Clone Robotics, a company based in California, has just revealed its full-body humanoid robot prototype, and it's both fascinating and a bit creepy. This robot, called the Protocone, is the next step after the company's earlier project, the Clone Hand, which was introduced 3 years ago. While the Protocone isn't quite ready to help around the house just yet, it's a major leap forward toward creating a robot that could one day handle everyday chores. The big idea behind the clone robot is simple. Design a machine that can do common household tasks like washing dishes, doing laundry, preparing simple meals, and even vacuuming carpets. But here's the catch. Most tools and appliances are made for human hands. That's why Clone Robotics is focused on building a robot that looks and moves like a human. The more human-like the robot is, the better it can handle these tools and perform tasks naturally. To make this possible, the clone is being built with a complete polymer skeleton, modeled after all 206 bones in the human body. However, the robot's skeleton will have fewer bone fusions to allow for smoother movement. Every joint is fully articulated, meaning the robot can move its limbs just like a person. This flexibility is key to helping the robot perform a wide range of household chores. But what really makes this robot unique is its advanced myofiber artificial muscle technology. Clone Robotics first showed this off in the clone hand and torso, and now it's being used throughout the Protocone. These artificial muscles are inspired by the McKibben muscle concept, which mimics how human muscles work. Each artificial muscle is made of a mesh tube with a balloon inside. When fluid is pumped into the balloon, it expands, causing the mesh to contract lengthwise. This contraction allows the robot to move its limbs in a way that's very similar to how real muscles work. To power these muscles, the Protocone uses a 500-volt electric pump, which acts like the robot's heart. This pump circulates hydraulic fluid through the system at a flow rate of 40 liters per minute and at 100 psi. This powerful setup allows the Protocone to perform strong and precise movements, giving it the ability to handle delicate tasks like folding laundry, or more forceful ones like scrubbing a floor. But movement alone isn't enough. The robot also needs to understand its surroundings and react to changes. That's where its advanced nervous system comes in. The Protocone will be equipped with 4 depth cameras in its skull to provide vision, allowing it to see the environment in 3D. It will also have 70 inertial sensors to track the exact position of its joints, ensuring smooth and accurate movements. Additionally, the robot will have 320 pressure sensors embedded in its muscles to provide real-time feedback on how much force it's using. This combination of vision, joint awareness, and muscle feedback will let the Protocone react quickly and adjust its actions on the fly. Even more impressive, the robot will be able to learn how to perform new tasks just by watching a person do them. This means that, over time, the clone could adapt to different households and handle chores in ways that fit each user's preferences. While the Protocone isn't quite ready to start vacuuming carpets or washing dishes yet, its progress is impressive. The prototype already features over 1,000 artificial myofibers, more than 200 sensors, and over 200 degrees of freedom, which gives it an incredibly wide range of motion. Watching the robot move is like seeing the future unfold before your eyes. Clone Robotics plans to start production with a limited batch of 279 units, which will be known as Clone Alpha. Pre-orders are expected to open later this year, but the company hasn't announced pricing yet. The idea of having a humanoid robot doing chores around the house sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's quickly becoming a reality. Would you want a robot like the clone helping out in your home? Let us know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech breakthroughs.